Welcome to my YouTube automotive channel. In today's video I'm sitting in a 2025 Volkswagen Taos, and I'll show you how to remove and delete previously paired phones. This video should apply to these vehicles made from 2022 all the way up to 2026 or possibly newer. Also, if this video was helpful, please consider supporting the channel by liking the videos, subscribing to the channel, or becoming a channel member. Okay, so to do this, you'll be using this main screen here on the dashboard. So first you want to press the menu button to get to the main menu, and then you want to scroll to the left until you see this settings icon and select it. And now again here, okay, I will zoom in a bit. You want to scroll down until you see manage mobile devices and select that. And here you can see the list of all connected devices. I'm not sure what's the maximum you can have. I think it's like 10 or something like that. So to delete, you will just press this trash can icon next to it, and this will delete the device. Okay, and that's how you do it. Thank you for watching this video. I hope it was helpful and educational. If it was, please like it and consider subscribing to my YouTube automotive channel. On my channel there is lots of how-to videos, do-it-yourself videos, car reviews, product reviews, and other similar automotive topics.